Babalik kami dahil wala kaming dalang two-piece. Uwi na lang kami. Hindi natuloy. Dahil wala kaming pang swimming. Wala kaming two-piece.
I was scared to go to the bottom. Yeah.
Una ka na pa, maglakaw, marami pa. Mas naglalakad na lang kami dahil natatakot ako. Napaka-stiff o, yan o.
I will walk very slowly because safety is the number one important in this world.
Lalakad lang kami, my love. Dahil lang. Boy, pala plane!